Brandon, now to major news out of D.C. tonight. In a stunning breach of court confidentiality, Politico has obtained what it calls a draft of a majority opinion written by Justice Samuel Alito that would strike down Roe v. Wade. According to Politico, the draft was circulated in early February. The final opinion has not been released, and votes can change before opinions are formally released. Sources tell CNN Chief Justice John Roberts does not support tearing down the law. However, Roberts reportedly does support narrowing the window for legal abortions from 23 weeks gestation to 15 weeks. If finalized, the opinion would be the most consequential abortion decision in decades and transform the landscape of women's reproductive health in America. And new tonight, Governor Gavin Newsom and other Democratic lawmakers in Sacramento released a joint statement this evening in response to that leaked Supreme Court draft, saying in part, California will not stand idly by as women across America are stripped of their rights. California is proposing an amendment to enshrine the right to choose in our state constitution so that there is no doubt as to the right to abortion in this state. And now you might be wondering, what is Roe v. Wade and why is this case so significant in our nation? I took a deeper look at the history of Roe v. Wade and have a breakdown for you tonight. This was a landmark case decided by the U.S. Supreme Court in 1973, and it legalized abortion. The case came down to one central question: does the Constitution recognize a pregnant person's right to have an abortion? In 1969, Norma McCorvey, the Texas resident named Roe in the case for privacy, was denied access to abortion because her pregnancy did not pose a medical risk to her life. And during this time, it was a crime in Texas and other states to have an abortion unless the patient would die without it. Then Texas lawmakers came together to overturn abortion bans, and January 22, 1973, Roe won. 7 of the 9 justices agreed a clause in the 14th Amendment of the Constitution protects the rights of a person's choice to terminate their pregnancy.